The UFC event featuring Santiago Ponzinibbio and Carlston Harris was a thrilling clash of styles and skills, leaving fans on the edge of their seats. Both fighters entered the octagon with something to prove, and the result was an electrifying battle that showcased the depth of their talent. Ponzinibbio, a veteran with an aggressive striking style, brought his trademark pressure and precision to the fight. Known for his ability to dictate the pace and land devastating combinations, the Argentinian fighter has always been a force to reckon with. On the other side, Harris, hailing from Guyana, entered the fight with a well-rounded skill set and a reputation for his grappling and durability. His unorthodox striking and ground game made him a dangerous opponent for anyone. The fight opened with Ponzinibbio taking control of the center of the octagon. His sharp jabs and low kicks set the tone early as he attempted to break Harris's rhythm. Harris, however, stayed composed and looked for opportunities to counter. His footwork and ability to slip punches allowed him to avoid significant damage in the opening exchanges. As the first round progressed, Harris began to implement his game plan, securing a takedown and working his grappling advantage. Ponzinibbio, showing his experience, managed to defend well from his back, limiting Harris's ability to inflict major damage. The round ended with both fighters having their moments, setting up an intriguing battle ahead. In the second round, Ponzinibbio turned up the heat, using his superior striking to land clean shots on Harris. A particularly vicious combination forced Harris to retreat, but his resilience kept him in the fight. Harris responded by initiating a clinch and attempting another takedown, but Ponzinibbio's takedown defense held strong, frustrating his opponent's efforts. The final round saw both fighters digging deep. Ponzinibbio continued to find success with his striking, landing powerful punches that visibly affected Harris. Despite this, Harris showcased incredible heart, constantly moving forward and looking for openings. Late in the round, Harris attempted a submission after a scramble on the ground, but Ponzinibbio's composure and technique allowed him to escape and finish the fight on his terms. When the final bell rang, it was clear that Ponzinibbio's striking and octagon control had given him the edge. The judges awarded him a unanimous decision victory, marking another impressive performance in his storied career. Harris, despite the loss, earned respect for his toughness and ability to challenge a seasoned opponent like Ponzinibbio. This fight was a testament to the skill and determination of both athletes, with Ponzinibbio's precision and Harris's grit leaving fans thoroughly entertained. It's clear that both fighters have plenty to offer in the division, and their performances will surely lead to more exciting matchups in the future.